How is this place not famous? Tucked away in the Belgian Ardennes, Durbuy might just be one of Europe's best kept secrets, and somehow I never even heard of it. Joey and I stumbled into what felt a real life fairy tale: cobblestone streets, a castle straight out of the storybook, and views that made us stop in our tracks. They call it the smallest town in Belgium, but more on that in a bit. But let me show you just why this hidden gem completely surprised me, and it might just surprise you too. So for the Easter weekend, Joey and I decided to go on a little road trip from Amsterdam down to Belgium. I honestly wasn't expecting much, just a quick stop in a place I barely heard of. But the moment we arrived in Durbuy, it felt like time slowed down. Narrow stone streets and old walled houses, and this quiet charm that just hits you immediately. And Joey, instantly curious, tail up, nose down, was ready to explore.
Joey's journey continues.
Smell the waffles. You know when you're in Belgium when you can smell it. Smell the waffles, chocolates, beers, definitely the waffles. We wandered through the maze of streets, taking it all in, the sound of birds, smell of waffles in the air, of course, and not a single modern building in sight. They say Durbuy is the smallest town in Belgium, and while technically it lost that title a while ago when the definition of town changed, the vibe remains the same: intimate, cozy, and full of character. Trying to explore, but there's too many people. There's too many people. Joey, are you a bit frightened?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
One of the highlights was the Durbuy Castle, which stands like a guardian over the town. You can't go inside, but just seeing it up close, nestled against the river, it's kind of surreal. After soaking in the town, we found a small path leading up into the forest. Just a short walk, nothing intense. So this is the spot you want to be. Short little hike up, a little bit steep. Then you get to this amazing viewpoint of the Fairytale town. How amazing is that? But at the top, a stunning panoramic view of Durbuy nestled in the valley, hugged by the Ardennes. You can see the whole town from there, the castle, the river, all of it. Joey stood there next to me, tongue out, tail wagging, probably just happy to be outside. But for me, it was one of those rare moments where everything feels just right. we didn't do anything wildly adventurous, this afternoon in Durbuy felt like a reset, a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected places leave the biggest mark.
Beer time. Couldn't resist. Have to get the local beers. Get a nice variety for enjoying later. You're not driving.
Thanks for joining me and Joey on this little unexpected adventure through Durbuy. Honestly, I still can't believe more people don't know about this place. It's like a hidden fairy tale tucked away in the Ardennes. If you've ever been here, or if you know of another small town that totally surprised you, drop it in the comments. I'd love to discover more hidden gems like this. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, maybe even share it with someone who needs a bit of travel inspiration. And of course, hit subscribe if you want to follow along for more road trips, hikes, and little moments with Joey. Until next time, keep exploring.